Deputy Commissioner Jingpynkhreh Giant Hills District Abhinav Kumar Singh menta kasi ula Pyntip hakabai day but ki Jingpynkhreh nakabenta ke election chaka district council nakabapinti kenaba shispa prapu artli ki kenhun polling officer kila don hakelinti ki jaka ke blabu benta but lakmi linti baka Jingpynkhreh on pendap ha kabakut jong kanigasngi UDC ula penpau ban penjur dia kilat Pahara kamtam ki jaka kaput ban pinti kenai ke election ke basngan Ulapan iru ia kiru kompenia nakabenta ke rukom nyovod ke pelabu hak arpusau terik urimpang.
We are having 182 polling parties which will be leaving. As we talk, there already the material disbursement, the EVM disbursement have started along with the security personals. And as an appeal to the public, I would request everyone for the maximum voting participation. And we have been in touch with our Assam counterpart and who have assured us with regard to the cooperation from their end. So no voter would be hindered when they would be casting their electoral franchise. And we can assure that yes, one can and one will under West Jingpynkhreh Hills would cast their vote freely and fairly. So that's all from my side. Thank you.